What is the difference between informal and formal writing? Many of the essays you write in college require a style of writing that is different from the style people use in day-to-day conversation. For example, in academic essays, students are often asked to avoid the use of the word you because in formal writing, the writer needs to be objective and therefore has to keep some distance from the audience. Words and phrases considered informal speech include the following. 1. The second person you or you all. 2. Contractions such as don't or couldn't. 3. The word get. Let's look at how to change these words and phrases. How can you avoid saying you in an academic essay? Let's take the previous question. Who does you refer to? It refers to students because students are the audience of this video. Therefore, we can restate the question as, how can students avoid saying you in an academic essay? Note that whereas you is second person, students is third person. So changing this word may also lead to a change in subject-verb agreement. We can also replace the you with the word one. How does one avoid saying you in an academic essay? Contractions are combinations of separate words using an apostrophe. To change them, we simply need to separate the words. For example, don't becomes do not, and couldn't becomes could not. Get is used to replace many different words in the English language, so its usage is often vague and imprecise. The way we replace get depends on how it is being used in a sentence. Let's take a look at a few examples. At first, I didn't get what the teacher meant. At first, I didn't understand what the teacher meant. He got taller. He became taller. She got a bicycle. She bought a bicycle. Sometimes we can just remove the word get entirely. They got married. They married.
Amanda LeBlow, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.